In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a plain game in MIT App Inventor. So here you can see that's the game here. I'm going to click on start game. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this button and you will see here that's the plane here, and here's 4 buttons: up, down, left and right, and you will see here score also, and that's the background and that's the plane. Whenever we click on any buttons here, okay, so score will automatically start counting score. So start game, we are going to click on up button. You will see here down, left, right. You cannot pause this plane. You will see game over. Why? Because we have reached the edge of our phone or edge, right? So your plan is crashed. That's why game is over. You just click on start again and you will see here final score 58. Whenever I'm going to click on start again, you will see score is 0 and up, oh, it's again down, up, left, right, and game over. Fine. So that's very simple game. So we are going to make this game. So here we go. First click on start new project, and that's my plain game, right? Click on OK. That's my app name. Now here we start. That's the dashboard here. We are going to use here one layout first. You will see a layout option, and here we use vertical arrangement first. Okay, and make this vertical arrangement fill parent and make this height also fill parent. Here I'm going to design the first screen, means the start game screen. So make this align horizontal to center and make it center, and drag and drop here one button like this. I'm going to change this background color of this layout and I'm going to make it orange, or you can make it like a black, anything what you want. And that's the button here. I'm going to make this button color text to black and background color I'm going to make it orange. And I'm going to change the text here and just start. Okay, fine. And that's the font size. I'm going to make it 20. Fine. So that's our first screen of our app. Now for the second screen, minimize this and make it visible off. Okay. And I'm going to drag and drop again. For vertical arrangement, you will see here that one, and make this also fill parent and with this fill parent, and change this background color something black. Fine. Now I'm going to use here one canvas. You will see here drawing option, drawing animation, and drag and drop this canvas and make it hide is fill parent and with is fill parent. Fine. Now here I'm going to drag and drop one image split like here and change this image split image. You will see a picture option. Click on this, upload file, click on choose file. You have to download one PNG image like this one and click on OK. Wait some seconds and you will see this image is this image have large scale pixels, so I'm going to make it 100 and 100 like this, and you can make it like more 50-50, so it will fine. This will fine. Now I'm going to click on canvas and make it background image something. So click on upload file, choose file. I'm using here this image here, cloud image, sky image, and you will see here. Wait some seconds. That's the image here. Fine. Now I'm going to use one layout here to display the buttons. So I'm going to use here vertical arrangement. Drag and drop this vertical arrangement and make this with fill parent. Here click on user interface and drag and drop your buttons 4 times. Okay, up, down, left and right. Okay, now I'm going to rename these all buttons. Up BTN. Okay, then that one is down BTN, third one is left BTN, and fourth one is right BTN. right btn. Okay, I'm going to change their name also. It means this one is up, so I'm going to make it here up. This one is down, so I'm going to write here down. This one is left, and that one is right, so I'm going to make it right. Fine. Click on horizontal arrangement and make this center, and this one is also center. Now click on up button and make this one is with this fill parent, and do this for all these buttons. Make fill parent, and make fill parent. Fine. Now I'm going to change the background color of horizontal arrangement and make it default black, and I'm going to change the button color also, so I'm going to make it style. Click on done. It's style but it's not look good. I'm going to make it more dark like this, and I'm going to change the text color is white and make it font bold. Do for all images, like change the background color again like this. Okay, copy this up button background color from here, custom, go to the custom, copy this color and paste this color in all buttons. Okay, click on down, go to the custom, click on custom and change your color like this. For Sam, like this, make their text color white and make it font bold. Do for all these images, text color white, and go for right button, make it background color custom and paste your code here and make it default text color to white and make it font bold. Fine. These are 4 buttons. Here I'm going to use one score. Okay, so here I'm going to use again horizontal arrangement. Okay, so you will see here layout option and horizontal arrangement, and drag and drop this horizontal arrangement like here and make this fill parent. And here I'm going to use 2 labels, one for writing score and second for display the score. So this one is for score, and no, this one is 0, and make this one is score. Fine. I'm going to change horizontal arrangement background color to black and make these font bold and make it 18 and change their text color to white, and click on another one like this one, label 2, and make this one text color to white like this and make it font bold and change your font size like 18. Now I'm going to make it in a center, so click on left to center, it's center, and click on label 1 and make this with its fill parent, and to was them like no, not height, not only width, is fill parent like this. Fine. Now that's our second screen. Now we are going to work on third screen for game over. So collapse all this and make it visible off, and drag and drop again layout, and here I'm going to use again vertical arrangement and drag and drop this fill parent, and here I'm going to change the background color, make it black, and here I'm going to use 3 things. First one is label for display final score, second for is that's your game over, and third one is button to start game again. Click on vertical arrangement and make it center, and this one is also center. Click on label 1, make it 20, or you will see here text color, change your text color to white and make this is right now for 0 because that's the current score right now, and make this your game over and change this font size to 22 and something text color should be red it's fine. Font, make it font bold, and click on this button and make it right down here, start again, fine, and change background color something tell or something, anything that you want, and change their text color also. That one is the start again button, fine. So these all are 3 screens we have right now. So make it visible off, and this one is visible on, fine. Now I'm going to code for this first screen. So go to the block, and whenever you can see here vertical arrangement first and this one button 1, I'm going to change this button name and make it start btn. Click on OK and go to the block. Whenever someone click on button 1, so we have to display the second screen, right? It means vertical arrangement 2, and hide this vertical arrangement 1. So you will see here option for visible, copy and paste this one vertical arrangement 1 and 2, and type here true. Second one should be true and this one should be false. So let's see how it's work right now. I'm going to use your emulator. So here you can see that's the first screen. So whenever someone click on start game, so you will see second screen will showing right here, up, down, left, right. That's the overall design we have completed. Now we are going to focus on coding. So let's start. So that's we have done. Go to the design section. First we have to drag and drop one thing, that is timer, and you will see a sensor option and you will see clock. Drag and drop this one because we have to set here scoreboard, right? So that's why we use here clock. So now go to the block section. So that's we have done. Whenever someone click on the start button, this app will display this screen here. Now we have to code for these buttons. I'm using here procedure. So you can see here procedure, so you can drag and drop this procedure. So I'll show you how you can use drag and drop this procedure here. Now we have to create here procedures like first input and second one. So first one is what we are going to use here, heading, and second one is speed, fine. And here I'm going to use this image split, and we have to get the value of heading. So set image heading here, you will find it here like this, set heading, and heading value we are going to get from here, get heading, and then click on image split, and we have to set the speed. So you will get this speed here like this, drag and drop this here, and just copy this here and change it to speed. We have defined it, right? So how we can get the value of image speed, heading and speed? So how we can do this? So that's very simple. Whenever someone click on up button, so it means when someone click on up button, then we have to call procedure. So we have to call here procedure. So I'm going to change this procedure name to something like move. Okay. So you will see here move. So if I'm going to call this, so you will see here call move here. Okay. And heading value is something we are going to get from the, go to the maths here and drag and drop this value here like this, copy paste this value and make sure heading value is 90, and whenever you click on the up button, okay, and speed should be 10 like this. And I'm going to copy and paste this 4 times, up, down and left, right for. So that's the 4. I'm going to make it here like this, make it here, here and here, fine. Now I'm going to click on here up button, that's the up button, that's the start button, no, it's the down button, up, down, left, right. So that's the left and that's the right like this. And I have to change the heading value. Okay, so if that one is 90, so we have to make it minus 90. Okay, So what is heading? The image split heading is degree above the positive x-axis. 0 degree is toward the right of the screen, 90 degree is toward the top of the screen. Got it? It means if I use here 90, it means going to up. This one for minus 19, it means down. And if I have to use a left move, so I have to use 0 here, right? And make this speed minus 10. Okay, and this one heading is also 0, and make this heading plus 10 for right. Fine. Now I'm going to run this app. So how it's work or not? So here you can see that's the design here. I'm going to click on right. You will see here left. So now we are going to focus on the score. So how we can display the score. Okay, so here we go. We have to call your timer, and this should be enabled. Set timer, make it true. Fine. So here you can see that's the score, and that's label name is label 2. Okay, so go to the block section, and here what we need to do, we have to set the value of label 2. It means go to the label, set label 2 dot text value. So when we call this value, whenever timer is enabled, it means your timer will call, like you can see here timer, this will call in every second. So we are going to make it in every 10 times in 1 second. Okay, 100 means, and I'm going to drag and drop this here like this. And now I have to increase the score. So how we can do this? So that's very easy. I'm going to click on again label 2, and you will get here label 2 dot text, and click on maths here. I have to increase the value, so drag and drop this label 2 dot text plus 1. So I'm going to use here this, and I'm going to increase the value 1 like this. Fine. Now whenever this plane reach the edge here, so we have to make it this game over. So how we can do? So when our image split reach edge reached, it means we have to call set vertical arrangement. It means we have to current vertical arrangement should be off. It means this one will be visible off. Okay, so I'm going to make it set visible off, make it here false like this, and copy and paste this one. And now we have to make visible off to the first or third one also, like first one also, like, and we have to visible on for the third one. True. Fine. And we have to stop the timer also. Okay, so I'm going to use here, click on clock 1 and make their timer firing enable should be false. Okay, fine. Now here I have to get the score also. Fine. So where I have to display the final score, I'm going to make it visible off and make it visible on. This one is our screen, and that's the label we have to display here final score. So you will see here that's the label 3. Go to the block and click on label 3 here and set label 3 dot text value should be label 2 dot text. Okay, this will display our final value. Now whenever someone click on start again button, it means this one button, so we have to change this button name, start again btn. Okay, so whenever someone click on start again button, so what we will do, we have to set the position of our image split. It means our plane plane location. So you will see here image split, where is it? This one is in our second one, image split, and you will get here move to You will see here image split move to, and where we have to move, we can move anywhere. Like I'm going to move it in a 100 position and make it 100, and this one is also 100. Fine. Now we have to disable the value. Okay, so you can remove this one, or like you don't need to put this one false also, because this one is already false. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to copy and paste this one, and I have to disable the vertical arrangement 3 to make it false, and I have to enable vertical arrangement 2. It means this one, it means true, and I have to make vertical arrangement 1 should be false. Fine. And we have to set image split speed should be 0. Okay, so how we can do this? So click on image split, here you will see, and find the speed, and you will see here that's the speed here. Make it here and make this speed to 0. Fine. And set label 3.text. It means our score value should be, you can our score value is something, I think label 2. Okay, so I'm going to make this label 2 value to 0 because we start our game from new. So I'm going to delete this one all and make it here 0. Fine. Now I'm going to, and let's see how it's work. Go to the design, and first we have to hide this one visible off and make this visible on, and clock should be timer enabled to off, and click on start game, and I'm going to make it right, this one word, down, left, up, right, and then when it reaches, you will see here score is 68, game over. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment.